In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for construction management. We'll set up a simple, reliable structure you can reuse on any job, from small renovations to multi-phase builds, so your team always knows where to find plans, tasks, and deadlines. First, we'll create a dedicated construction space. In ClickUp, a space is the top-level container that keeps everything about a department or business area together. Open the left sidebar, click Spaces, then choose New Space. Name it Construction, so everyone understands this is the place for all construction-related work, and click Create Space. Keeping a single, clearly named space helps reduce clutter and makes onboarding new team members easier. Next, we'll create a project folder inside that construction space. Think of a folder as a specific job or site. Click Create Folder, give it the project's name so it's instantly recognizable, and click Create Folder. From now on, everything for this job, tasks, timelines, and documentation lives neatly under this folder. Inside the folder, set up lists for the key phases of your build. Click New List and create 4 lists: Planning, Materials, Construction, and Inspection. Lists act like buckets for related work. Planning is where you organize pre-construction tasks like drawings and permits. Materials is the home for procurement and deliveries. Construction is where the on-site work gets tracked. Inspection keeps all quality checks and sign-offs visible. This structure mirrors a typical build lifecycle, so it's intuitive for everyone. Now, add the actual work as tasks. Open any list and click Tasks to create a new item. Type clear, action-focused names like Pour concrete or Install wiring. Short, specific titles help field crews recognize what needs doing at a glance. If it helps, include area or room identifiers in the task name so it's obvious where the work belongs. Finally, assign and track accountability. Open a task, click Assignee, and choose the responsible worker or team. Then set a due date so scheduling is visible across the board. Assignments put the work on the right person's radar, and due dates align the crew with your project calendar. As work progresses, returning to these same tasks to confirm status keeps your plan and reality in sync. And that's how you use ClickUp for construction management. Quick and easy. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials.